Hello everyone, this is Joel over at Just Document Preparation, and today I wanted to talk about some considerations when you are thinking about filing for divorce. So a divorce can be a very emotionally traumatic experience, especially if it's the first time you're going through it. There's a lot of misconceptions, and you may have heard horror stories from friends, from family, the media. So it's important to have a good understanding of the process, and we're going to talk about some things that you should consider and keep front of mind. So initially, if there is any potential for domestic violence or children involved, you can seek protection. There's definitely options even before a divorce is filed, where a family law court can make orders of restraint and of conduct. So if you think that may be something that you need to look into, it's available either by itself, standalone without the divorce or family law case, or in conjunction with it, as well as if it comes up after the case has been initiated. Those restraining order requests and orders for protection can be filed even after as part of the divorce case. Another thing to understand and to consider is going to be the residency requirements. So in California, there are specific residency requirements that you need to meet before you can file these types of cases at your local family law court. You're going to want to check, depending on whether it's a divorce or a legal separation, you will have had to have resided in the county for some period of time. If not, they're going to either A, make you wait, or B, if you're just visiting or you're only here for a short period of time, it may be that you're filing back in the county or the other state where you have a permanent residency. So you're going to want to check on that, so when the time comes, you can make sure you're going to be filing in the proper jurisdiction. Child support, spousal support. In many situations, when children are present and only one partner of the marriage is working, the court will allow you to ask for child support or spousal support in a hearing when you file the documents. In these situations, the divorce may run longer, the process, but you can at least have the court make a decision on those aspects so you can continue to live and support your children while you're going through the process, if it is drug out. Another consideration to have in mind is organizing and having important documents ready. So when you're filing the initial petition, or if somebody else has filed and you're going to be filing a response, there's often going to be required attachments known as disclosures. Common ones are going to be paycheck stubs, taxes in some cases, expenses, so income, expenses, list of bills. Assets and debts are typically going to be included if you have any, so having current statements and understanding what is my balance. What is the value of property? For example, I have a new truck. The value is $15,000 and the debt is $10,000. Understanding all of these things and having documents, because if the case is going to be contested, if you are following your requirements and doing your disclosures, all of this stuff is going to be needed. So it's better to have it organized and have it ready so that when you do need it, you already have saved the time of tracking it down. Other important considerations is somebody to help you out through this process. So if it's going to be contested, or if the other party already has an attorney, you speaking to an attorney to understand what your rights and importantly, what are your responsibilities in this process to make sure that you're protected. If it's going to be simple, or it's going to be by agreement, or you guys simply just want somebody to assist with the document preparation and making sure that you don't have to go to court, but you're still going to process the case properly through the court. In situations like those, a document preparation service such as ourselves can come into play. If you're going to need somebody to help you doing the process serve, tracking down a process server that can help doing that. Maybe you're going to start mediation or some kind of arbitration counseling third party, getting hold of resources that can help you out with that. So understanding what your needs are going to be in terms of supporting you through the process and then the available options that are available with that as well. So those are some top things to think about if you're considering a divorce, or even if you've already started and kind of need to know what should I be looking at. We here at Just Document Preparation since 1996, we've been helping people process their divorce. We do the document preparation from start to finish. We assist with filing the documents. We can also, in many cases, do the serve, or if it's going to be a serve that requires a process server, we have resources to connect you with. At any point, if it becomes contested or you think you need an attorney, we also have resources to refer you to there. So if you have any questions about how we may be able to help you with the divorce process or legal separation process, definitely get a hold of us. You can reach out to us on our contact form, or you can give us a call at any of our published phone numbers. Thanks for watching.